ॐ चैतन्यं सर्वगं सर्वं सर्वभूतगुहाश्रयं यत्सर्वविषयातीतं तस्मै सर्वविदे नमः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। सम्यग्मति प्रकरणम्। In this, Acharya is explaining the nature of knowledge that we have to gain from our Gurujana, from Acharya. So he gave the Lakshana of Shishya, he gave the Lakshana of Guru, then he said the Shishya has to do Guru Upasatti. So after doing Guru Upasatti, Vakyartha Jnanam should help me in doing Tvam Padartha Viveka first. So in 54th shloka on page 233, he said, Drishtihi Sprishtihi Shrutir Ghratir Matir Vijnatihi, all these Shaktis, means these are all Jnanam, Vishaya Avachinna Jnanam, Vishaya Avachinna Chaitanya, in the form of Darshanam, Sparshanam, Shravanam, Ghrananam, Mananam, Jnanam, etc. All of them are Jnanam only. With the help of Indriya, with the help of mind, or without the help of Indriya or mind, just Buddhi. In these different Jnanams, in the series of knowledge that takes place throughout the day, the Vishesha, which is because of the Vritti, that Vritti Vishesha as if gives us the idea each Jnanam is different, because Ghata Jnanam has Ghatakar Vritti, Pata Jnanam has Patakar Vritti. So Vritti based Jnanam is there. So the notion comes is that Jnanam is different. The reality is Jnanam is one. In all of them, the underlying Chaitanya is one. That was given in Tika. Tattad vritti amsha parityagena. Vritti amsha parityaga. You let go of the thought. And sarva vritti sakshitaya anugata prakasha swabhava. This is Atma. In all the vrittis, the sakshi which is there of the anugata swabhava, prakasha swabhava. This is the Tvampada Lakshyartha. So, Tat Prathamam Grahayet. This first I have to gather. In other words, I hear this. Then my attention should go there and I should identify with that Sakshi. So right now, if I'm identifying with this Sharira, and I invariably think I am this Manushya, Purusha, until I start identifying myself as Sakshi, which is present in all these Jnana Vrittis as the Samanya, that which pervades in all, that which is illuminator of all. Until I identify with this, my Tvam Pada Vichara is not over. So earlier also I have mentioned, and the next chapter of Upadesha Sahasri will also elaborate this part. 99% of my effort, sadhana, is for Tvam Padartha Viveka. Tat Padartha is 1% of effort. And then a question had come, why do you take the Bheda is because of Upadhi? Why don't you say the Jnanam itself has Bheda, Chit Shakti itself has Bheda? So Siddhanti said, no, Atma will become Vikari, there is Kalpana, Gaurava, you will have to accept too many Jnanams. Here there is only one real Jnanam. Upadhis are different, therefore it appears that there are many. Drishtanta was given of the sun rays. Sun is one, Sarvajnaha Sarvadrik, like the rays are many, Ravi Kirana. Like that, Atma is one, but we get the feeling that these Jnana Vrittis are many. Therefore, Atma is Sarva Avyabhichari, Shuddha, Nirvikara. Up to this we saw in 55. Now let us see further. Somebody is asking a question. If Atma is of this Lakshana, Yadi evam Ukta Lakshana Atma, Katham tasya sansaropalabdhrita परिच्छेद प्रतिभासश्च इति अत आह. Yadi evam, if it is like this, if this is the case, that Ukta Lakshana Atma, Ukta Lakshana Atma, how will you do Samasa Vigraha?
उक्तं लक्षणं यस्य सः उक्तलक्षणः.
Uktam Lakshanam Yasya Saha Ukta Lakshana Atma. Kathan tasya sansaropalabdhrita, tasya atmanah, of that Atma, how samsara upalabdhrita, upalabdhrita, tasya bhavas tatalau. So this pratyaya ta is to show bhava. Upalabdhrita means Atma has become samsara upalabdhri. Samsarasya upalabdha, prathama if you take. Atma has received samsara. Atma is the receiver of samsara. How is it? One question. Second question, Paricheda pratibhasascha, and why do I feel I am finite? If I am infinite, why do I feel this? If I am free, if I am mukta, then why there is samsara abhasa in me? So the answer is given in this shloka now. Anya drishtihi sharirasthas तावन्मात्रो ह्यविद्यया जलेन्द्वाद्युपमाभिस्तु तद्धर्मा च विभाव्यते। अन्यदृष्टिः शरीरस्थस्तावन्मात्रो ह्यविद्यया जलेन्द्वाद्युपमाभिस्तु तद्धर्मा च विभाव्यते। अन्य दृष्टि ही शरीरस्थः तावन्मात्रो ही अविद्यया तद्धर्मा च विभाव्यते। दृष्टांत इस जलेन्द्वादि उपमाभिः। उपमा here means दृष्टांत। जलेन्दु, इंदु चंद्रमा, जलेन्दु आदि जलेन्द्वाद्युपमाभिः, by such उपमा तद्धर्मा, तद्धर्मा च विभाव्यते। तद्धर्मा इज आत्मा। आत्मा तद्धर्मा। तद्धर्माः, तद्धर्माः means अनात्म धर्माः। Atma appears as one having anatma dharma by anya drishtihi. Anya drishtihi also bahurihi samasa. Anye anatmani drishtihi ahamiti jnanam. Drishtihi means ahamiti jnanam. Anye in anatma. In anatma, the one who has aham, this kind of jnanam, that person is called anya drishtihi. अन्ये अनात्मनि दृष्टिः यस्य सः अन्य दृष्टिः। दृष्टि मीन्स अहम इति ज्ञानम। So in anatma, any anatma other than atma, everything is anya. In that, if I have aham buddhi, I have a new name. My name will be anya drishti. So because my attention is on anatma, so much so that I identify with that anatma. अन्य दृष्टि ही शरीरस्थः, residing in the sharira, sthula and sukshma, there my drishti is somewhere stuck or outside in the external world. Avidya, why this happens? Because of avidya. Avidya tavan matro tad dharma cha. So two questions were asked. Katham tasya sansara upalabdhrita avidya. कथम परिच्छेद प्रतिभास है तावन मात्रो विभाव्यते। आत्मा इज ओनली दैट मच। हाउ मच? शरीरस्थ, स्थूल शरीरस्थ, आइडेंटिफाइड विथ स्थूल शरीर, और सूक्ष्म शरीर आइडेंटिफाइड विथ सम आइडियाज ऑफ सूक्ष्म शरीर। इन दैट मच अलोन आई एम। दिस इज व्हाट अज्ञानी थिंक्स। एंड देन तद्धर्मा, तद्धर्मा मीन्स whatever is the dharma of that anatma, I think that is my dharma. So that anatma is manushya sharira. So I think I am manushya. Anatma is young, so he thinks I am young. Anatma is old, sharira. So tad dharma, he thinks I am old. and it is located in some place, so he thinks I am here, I am not there. This is parichinnatva. Constantly knowing, constantly means being aware of such things regularly, will help me in negating this. If I am aware that as soon as I identify with anatma that I am anyadrashti, anatma will not go away. Identification with anatma is not required. And when that identification reduces, then anatma is mithya that I can understand. Anatma is not going to go away anywhere. So I am tavan matraha means of that parimana, of that much size, parichinna, conditioned, and tad dharma. Anatma dharmavan aham. Tad dharmo yasya saha tad dharmaha. See in Tika, avidyaya शरीरस्थः स्थूल सूक्ष्म शरीरयोरेव उपलभ्यमानत्वात् तत्र वर्तमानः तावन्मात्रः शरीरम्. अविद्या शरीरस्थः, because of avidya he thinks I am in this sharira, sharirastha. Sharira means sthula sukshma both, sthula and sukshma sharira. So स्थूल सूक्ष्म शरीरयोर एव उपलभ्यमानत्वात् तत्र वर्तमानस् तावन्मात्रः. Sthula and Sukshma Sharira, both of them as Anatma, in them I think I am available. Sthula Sukshma Sharira, they are Sthula Sukshma Sharira Yoho Eva Upalabhyamanatvat means because of avidya, these two upadhis are there. In that upadhi, I have aham buddhi. Tatra vartamana means I am in here, I am in these shariras. And therefore, tavan matraha shariram yavat yavat tavan matro aham. तावन मात्र शरीरम यावत तावन मात्रो अहम. So you have to say, you have to read this way. तत्र वर्तमानस तावन मात्र शरीरम यावत तावन मात्रो अहम. One tavat is extra, we can do without also. I am in the sharira, and as big is the sharira, so big I am. Whatever is the attribute of the sharira, that is my attribute. तावन मात्रो अहम इति मन्यमानो अन्य दृष्टेर देह बाह्यभ्यो व्यावृत्त आत्मदृष्टि इन दिस अहम इति मन्यमानः, इन दिस शरीरद्वय अहम इति मन्यमानः, he thinks I am this. अन्य दृष्टि, his name is अन्य दृष्टि. देह बाह्येभ्यो व्यावृत्त आत्मदृष्टि. देह बाह्येभ्यो व्यावृत्त आत्मदृष्टि. His Atma Buddhi is not there in anything outside of this body. Means Atma Buddhi is in body only, Sharira. And Tadgata Tadharmair Atmano Dharmavatva Drishtirapi San. Tadgata Dharmaihi, Sharirgata Dharmaihi or Anatmagata Dharmaihi, Atmano Dharmavatva Drishtihi. I am of this Swarupa, I am of this nature, this Dharma. आत्मनो धर्मवत्व दृष्टि अपि सन् परिच्छिन्नः संसारी इव च अवभासत इत्यर्थः. He thinks I am परिच्छिन्न, I am conditioned, I am samsari iva, as if I am samsari. So this buddhi becomes so strong that in the beginning, even when we hear Vedanta, nothing happens, no samskaras are created. Then gradually in my buddhi, new understanding comes. So Atma Jnanam, as we saw in Naishkarmya Siddhi, Atma Jnanam is Pramanajanya. Anatma Jnanam is Apramanika. Pramanajanya Jnanam at once can negate Apramanika Jnanam. And it is not that over so many janmas, if I had erroneous knowledge, then that many janmas I need to reverse that knowledge. It will be eternal. So that is not required. But what is required is my attention should go to the new teaching which is given. And that Pramana Buddhi should come in Shastra. व्यावृत्त आत्मदृष्टिस तद्गत धर्मैहि आत्मनो धर्मवत्व दृष्टिरपि सन् परिच्छिन्नः संसारीव च अवभासत इत्यर्थः. एतदेव दृष्टान्तेन स्पष्टयति. नाउ फॉर दिस दृष्टान्त इज गिवन. जलेन्दु आदि यथा चंद्रादिर जले प्रतिबिंबितो जलोपाधि भेदात् भेदवान इव जलकंपनादिना कंपादिमान इव च अविवेकाद् एव विभाव्यते. तथा एताभिरुपमाभिस् तद्धर्मे तद्धर्मा इति इत्यादि उक्तार्थम. So Tadharma Visarga will not be there. Tadharma will not have Visarga. Because here in the Sandhi, they have given Tadharme Tyadi Uktartham. Just as in a pool of water, moon gets reflected. Chandradihi Jale Pratibimbitaha. Jalopadi Bhedat Bhedavan Iva. So in Jala Upadi, if there is Bheda, means if we divide that water into different pools, multiple small water collections are there, then Jala Upadi Bhedat Bhedavan Chandra has bheda, it appears. This is how jnanam, there is bheda. There is only one jnanam, but appears to be many. Bhedavan iva. Or Devadatta Atma is different. Yajnadatta Atma is different. Chaitra Atma different. Maitra Atma different. Bhedavan iva. Jala kampanadina kampadiman iva cha. And in Jala, if there is kampanam, so this person thinks it is in me. Even though I am Nitya Shuddha Buddha, there is no kampanam. But kampadiman iva cha. Why? Avivekad eva vibhavyate, because of aviveka. Tatha. So this is what dhyayati iva, lelayati iva, that iva is given. This is bhedavan iva, kampadiman iva vibhavyate. Tatha etabhir upamabhis tad dharma. And because of this much identification, whatever is the dharma of the upadhi, he thinks this is my dharma, this is who I am. So this is our story. This is where we are. We think this is exactly my explanation. Who am I? And where I should be. So what was said earlier in 54 and 55. This is where I should be. And further he explains, see now, in 56 and 50, in 57 and 58, what I have to do. Tadevam upadhi paramarsamantarena atmani bheda samsarader anupalambhat upadhinancha atmano bahihi swatantriyena sattayam praman abhavat avidyamayatve sati नित्य शुद्ध परिपूर्ण एव चिदात्मा इति अवांतर वाक्ये ही अवधारित आत्मैव सत्य ज्ञानादि लक्षणं ब्रह्म इति महावाक्येन आचार्याद अवगत आत्मतत्त्वो मुमुक्षु अवस्थात्रयात्मकस्यैव सर्वदृश्यत्वात् तदपोहेन तत्साक्षितया तद अधिष्ठानतया च अव्यभिचारी चिदेकरसं ब्रह्मात्मा इति स्वानुभवमापादयन् मुच्यत इति अभिप्रेत्य अनुसंधान प्रकारम आह. Whole Vedanta is covered in these 6 lines. And how to meditate, that is also given. Anusandhanam means dhyanam, chintanam. Everything is given in this. Tad evam upadhi paramarsham antarena. So once I understand these upadhis are creating bheda, upadhis are creating the notion of parichinnatva, tadharmatva, that I have those dharmas, and all this is happening because of avidya. So when this is understood, upadhi paramarsham, paramarsha, para upasarga purvaka, dhatu is
मृष धातु आमर्षण
amarshane. Amarsanam means chintanam. When paramarsha is done, paramarsham tadevam upadhi paramarsham antarena atmani bheda samsaradehe anupalambhat. Without including upadhi and their role, antarena means vina. Without this, atmani bheda samsara dehe anupalambhat. In atma, bheda and samsara, they will not be available. भेद संसारादेर अनुपलम्भात् उपाधीनांच आत्मनो बहिः स्वातंत्र्येण सत्तायां प्रमाण अभावात् उपाधीनांच आत्मनो बहिः, and of these upadhis atmano baihi, outside of the atma. Atmano baihi upadhis, they don't have swatantra satta. Upadhinam cha atmano baihi swatan nakara is missing. Tantriyana. Either you do nakara or there is something, but
It is
स्वातंत्र्येण. Okay. Yes, yes. स्वातंत्र्येण सत्तायां प्रमाण अभावात् उपाधीनां सत्तायां प्रमाण अभावात्. Upadhis don't have swatantra satta. There is no pramanam for that. Praman abhavat avidyamayatve sati. Actually, after that sati, you have to put comma, then it will be easy. It is not that avidyamayatve sati nitya shuddha paripurna eva chidatma. How we say स्पर्श रहितत्वे सति गंधवत्वम तस्य लक्षणम नॉट गंधवत्व. स्पर्श रहितत्वे सति रूप रहितत्वे सति स्पर्शवत्वम तस्य लक्षणम
Vayorakshana.
वायोः लक्षणम. So here it is not like that. Avidyamayatve sati nitya shuddha paripurna eva. Upadhinam avidyamayatve sati. In this way you should read. Upadhis are avidyamaya. That being the case, Atma is nitya shuddha paripurna eva. Because upadhis are avidyamaya, therefore Atma does not have association with upadhi. Therefore Atma is nitya shuddha paripurna eva. Chidatma iti avantar vakyir avadharita. This much jnanam I should get through avantar vakya. Avantar vakya means तत्पद और त्वम पद लक्ष्यार्थ बोधक वाक्य. They are avantar vakya. And aikya bodhak vakya is mahavakya. What is the drishtanta for tvam pada avantar vakya? योयम विज्ञानमय प्राणेषु हृदयंतर ज्योति पुरुषः. This Brahadaranyaka Vakya, this is Avantar Vakya, showing Tvam-pada. Or Asthulam Ananu Swam Adirgam Puramekadashatvaram Ajasyavakrachetasah Anusthayana Shochati. This is also Tvam-padartha. Asthulam Ananu Ahriswam Adirgam. This is Tvam Padartha. So Avantar Vakye hi Avadharita Atma. That Atma itself is now Tat Padartha. Avantar Vakya. Tat Padartha Avantar Vakya is given. Satya Jnanadi Lakshanam Brahma. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Atmaiva Brahma iti. One Avantar Vakya revealed Tvam Padartha. Another Avantar Vakya revealed Tat Padartha. That Atma is Brahma. Atmaiva Satya Jnanadi Lakshanam Brahma iti. Mahavakyena Acharyat Avagatatma Tattvo Mumukshuhu. So, Acharyat Avagatatma Tattvaha. Avagata Atmatattvam Avagatam Atmatattvam Yena Saha Avagata Atmatattvaha. How will he know? Mahavakyena Acharyat. Acharyat Mahavakyena Avagata Atmatattvaha. Mumukshu. And then what he has to do? Avastha Trayatmaka. So far everything is clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes.
मुमुक्षुर अवस्था त्रयात्मकस्यैव सर्वदृश्यत्वात् तदपोहेन तत्साक्षितया तदधिष्ठानतया च अव्यभिचारी चिदेकरसं ब्रह्मात्मा इति स्वानुभवम् आपादयन्. So अवस्था त्रयात्मक विवेक he has to do now. अवस्था त्रयात्मकस्यैव, all the avasthatraya, whatever objects are there in avasthatraya, they are all drishya, sarva drishyatva. So what to do? Tad apohena. He has to do apohanam, eliminating all drishya. Tad sakshitaya. Who am I? It's Sakshi, their Sakshi. Only Sakshi? No. Tad adhishthana cha. I am also adhishthanam of all this. तत् साक्षितया तद अधिष्ठानतया च अव्यभिचारी चिदेकरसं ब्रह्मात्मा इति. I am avyabhichari chidekarasam. Vyabhichari means that which is present in kinchit desha kala and its abhava is there in anya desha kala. That is vyabhichari in this context. Here means somewhere it is present, somewhere it is absent. Dhuma vanni vyabhichari means somewhere one is there and Dhuma is there. Somewhere one is not there but Dhuma is there. This is Dhuma vanni vyabhichari. Chidekarasam brahmatma iti. Avyabhichari chaitanya swarupayam brahma swarupayam. Iti swanubhavam apadayan mujyate. This kind of swa anubhavam apadayan, having gathered, having gained this jnanam, anubhava, literal meaning of anubhava is how people translate realization or experience. Experience is jnanam. If I see ghata, I say I am experiencing ghata. So there is ghata jnanam taking place. On experience, people think it is some mystical shabda. Somebody says, are you experiencing the moon in the sky? Yes, means are you getting the jnanam of this moon? Aparokshataya, directly. So swanubhavam apadayan muchyate. He will become free. In other words, this Brahmakar Vritti Jnanam is what is required. For that Brahmakar Vritti, Tvam Padartha Viveka, Tat Padartha Viveka, then Mahavakyena, Atma Eva Brahma, this Jnanam should take place, and therefore, if Atma is Brahma, other than Brahma, other than Atma, whatever I understood as Anatma is actually Mithya. Sarva Drishyatva, then I remain as their Sakshi. And Tad Adhishthanataya. I'm also their Adhishthanam. Means they cannot exist without me. In this way, iti abhipretya anusandhanam he has to do now. So when I understand this, anusandhanam means chintanam. This is a prakriya, this is called Laya Prakriya, this 57th. Many of you are familiar with it. It is given in Vedanta Sara. It is also given in Vedanta Paribhasha. I think it is also given in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha Tika. It is given in Purana also, in Bhagavatam also this is given. In Vishnu Purana also it is there. Laya Prakriya. What is the Laya Prakriya? Sthula Prapancha I have to dissolve in Sukshma. Sukshma in Karana. Karana Prapancha means this avidya or avyakta in Atma. This is general Prakriya. In other words, Karya you have to merge in Karana and recognize Karya does not have its Swatantra Satta. This recognition is called Karya Vilaya, Karya Vilapanam. There was one Mati Vilapanam Prakarana earlier. Dissolving the Buddhi itself means Ahankara. Here, Karya Vilapanam in Karana, then it's Vilapanam in its Karana, like that. Finally, I come to Adhisthana Brahma. Drishtva Bahyam Nimilyatha Smritva Tat Pravihaya Cha Athonmilyatmano Drishtim Brahma Prapnotyanadvagaha Drishtva Bahyam Nimilyatha Smritva Tat Pravihaya Cha Athonmilyatmano Drishtim Brahma Prapnotyanadvagaha. Anadvagaha Brahma Prapnoti. This is Khandanvaya, this much small. Anadvagaha. Adhva, Adhvan Pratipadika. Adhvan means Marga, road. Adhvasu gacchati iti advagaha. Na adhvasu gacchati iti anadvagaha. So the one who is going on some path to reach his destination is called advagaha. So in our Shastra, there are 4 paths. These are not dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Huh? Those who are studying Brahadaranyaka, if they remember, introduction to Brahadaranyaka, Sambandha Bhashya or Bhagavan Bhashyakara, 4 paths are there for a jiva from Ihaloka. One is Uttarayana, Archimarga. Second is Dakshinayana, Dhuma Marga. Third is Jayaswa Mriyaswa, born or get born and die. That's all. I don't know what should we say, get born. Get birth and death, that repeatedly. Means Ihaloka. He doesn't go to Devatadi Loka, he doesn't go to Pitra Loka. So third one is stuck here. He has enough negativities. Less punya, very less punya. Jayasva Mriyasva. Fourth one is Narakadi, Tiryagadi Yoni. So in Brahadaranyaka introduction, Bhashyakar gives this. These are the 4 options everybody has. Fifth one is Anadvagaha, the one who doesn't have to travel. All these 4 have to travel. Archimarga, Dhuma Marga. Those who go to Swarga, those who go to Pitraloka, they both have to travel for their destination. Ihaloka, Jayaswa, Mriyaswa, lot of travel, repeated travel. One life, he unpacks, starts doing something, and then time to pack up. Next life. Takes everything, goes there, starts unpacking, immediately it gets so busy, time to pack up. This is third one. Fourth one, you are helpless. Becoming animals or becoming trees, etc., means such life where you don't have any purushartha for moksha. That life is not to be counted. You are losing time, that's all. So attaining Brahma is where he is not going to travel. Brahma prapnoti anadvagaha. For Brahma prapti, he doesn't have to go on any road. No marga. How? See the shloka. Drishtva bahyam nimilya. Bahyam drishtva then nimilya atha. Smritva tatpravihaya cha. Atha आत्मनो दृष्टिम उन्मील्य seeing that nimilya in Sukshma. That is what this is. See, Netra, Nimilya, Unmilya, this kind of. But here it is in the context of Vilaya. So Sthula Prapancha has to be dissolved in Sukshma because Sthula Prapancha has come from Sukshma Pancha Mahabhutas. Atha Smrutva Tat Pravihaya. Then what is Sukshma Prapancha? You have to recollect. And Tat Pravihaya. Then you have to do Laya of Sukshma into Karana. Then Atha Unmilya Atmano Drashtim. And then that Karana Prapancha you have to Atma, which is Jnana Prakasha Rupa. So that is where it is given Unmilya. So all Upadhis, Sthul Upadhi, Sukshma Upadhi and Avyakta Upadhi, Karana Upadhi, everything is negated. Then what remains is Brahma. Atha Unmilya Atmano Drashtim Brahma Prapnoti Anadvagaha. So, see, earlier he had all the different jnanams with Upadhi. Now he has understood all of them are mithya. They don't have their role. So he dissolves. When you can dissolve Karya into Karana, then you realize Karya never had Satta. So that is the Pratipadanam here. Tika, let us see at least one sentence. Bahyam Jagaritam Panchikrita Panchamahabhuta Tatkaryatmakam Samashti Vyashti Rupam Sarvam Vishaya Jatam Drishtva Drashtr Drishya Anvaya Vyatirekabhyam Karya Karana Anvaya Vyatirekabhyam Cha Alochya Atha Nimilya Drishyam tat sarvam drashtu matratvena karyam sarvam karanabhuta tanmatratvena vilapya ityartha. Nimilya means vilapya. Bahyam jagaritam, the external world which is there in the waking state. Panchikrita pancha mahabhuta tatkaryatmakam. It is nothing but Panchikrita Pancha Mahabhuta Karya. That is the external world in waking. Samashti Vyashti Rupam. It is of the nature of Samashti as well as Vyashti. So Vishwa Taijasa Pragnya and Vaishwanara Hiranyagarbha Ishvara. Sarvam Vishaya Jatam. Drishtva, seeing all this, Drashtru Drishya Anvaya Vyatirekabhyam Karya Karana Anvaya Vyatirekabhyam cha. One Anvaya Vyatireka is Drik Drishya Viveka, second is Karya Karana. And in both, Drishya you dissolve in Drashta, that in its Drashta, that in its Drashta. Karya in Karana, that Karana in its Karana, like that. Karya Karana Anvaya Vyatirekabhyam. And Drashtru Drashya are the Anvaya Vyatirekabhyam. Through this Anvaya Vyatireka, Cha Alochya, having examined well, Atha Nimilya Drishyam, Tat Sarvam Drashtu Matratvena Karyam, dissolving that Drishya, Sarvam Drashtu Matratvena Karyam, Sarvam Karana Bhuta Tanmatratvena Vilapya. Everything has to be finally dissolved as Karana, and Karana itself will get dissolved in Brahma. So that is the Prakriya. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murtibheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.